All right, you ready to roll?
Ready.
Let's get on out of here.
Hi everyone, just pulling into the Millard Airport here. Gonna hop in the helicopter and go shoot some aerial photos today. The main target is the new baseball stadium for UNO down by Exarban Village. First game is today at 3 o'clock, and so we're gonna take off right about 3 and get there a little after first pitch. And that's gonna be about it. I might cruise by a couple construction sites just for fun. But it's gonna be a quick ride and beautiful weather. Can't beat a 60-degree day in March. So hope everyone enjoys the flight.
I need to hear the horn one more time. Cool. All right, you ready to roll?
Ready.
Let's get on out of here. Traffic, welcome 225 Alpha Mike, departing parallel runway 12. We'll be departing the pattern area to the east, Millard.
Airplane boneyard down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful out today.
Traffic, Glass Air 0, Juliet Victor departing 12 Millard, be left turn out to the west.
And we'll hang around here. And Millard traffic, welcome 225 Alpha Mike. We're in a right down on 12. We'll cross over midfield and we'll be exiting to the east.
Stand by. Stacy, show me I'll join downwind, round 5. Stand by.
So we are heading towards that group of tall buildings.
The ones right there on Dodge?
Not even on Dodge. There's a black one that's probably the tallest one.
Yeah, right up here?
Ahead, yep.
Straight here, okay.
I don't know if you want to go a little wide at first to see.
I guess I'm still trying to pick up the stadium here.
You can see the
black
cars.
Oh, yep.
I can see the scoreboard moving, right? If the bridge runs into the scoreboard. And I can see the outfield now.
Got it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. All right, got it. Omaha approach, helicopter 225 Alpha Mike, level 1700.
Helicopter 5 Alpha Mike, Omaha approach, squawk 0267.
0267, 225 Alpha Mike.
Omaha 48 Fox, back with you, 1 pass at 5,000, 1 pass at 11.5, 48 Fox, to radar contact 2 east, we
is this wide enough?
3027, yeah. Procedures requested.
Yeah, sorry, I put my mic down. Not on purpose.
Helicopter 5 Alpha Mike, radar contact 7 miles southwest at the airport, altimeter 3027, showing you 1,600, say intentions.
For 225 Alpha Mike, I got the altimeter 0.7 there, and we're just going to be orbiting present location for photo flight here.
Helicopter 5 Alpha Mike, altimeter 3027, at what altitude?
And we'll remain below 1,800, 5 Alpha Mike.
5 Alpha Mike, procedures requested.
As requested, 5 Alpha Mike.
Approach, Cessna 737 November uniform at 5,500. 737 November uniform, Omaha approach, altimeter 3027, resume on navigation mode, altitude your discretion. No nav, 7 uniform. 3 side echo, be advised, traffic assessment about 8 north of your position, 2 and 10 mile DME arcs off the OVR, restricted at 3,000.
Still gonna snag a couple more of this one.
Yeah. Might as well since we're here.
Okay.
They did tear down a lot since we were here.
Yeah, they did.
445, 29, no mile approach, present, heavy for runway 18, descend at path, discretion, maintain 5,000. Level 5,000. Go ahead, 1 minute weather for Polaris.
Your guys' I guess, area of responsibility, that whole construction site here? Or?
No, this is just the mall that we went to when we were kids, you know.
Ground flight service station.
This flight today is all my own deal.
Oh, gotcha, okay.
Nothing to do with my work, so. Might be the reason it's only a half hour, too.
Yeah, fair enough.
The Echo Path discretion at 3,000, report cancellation of IFR in the air, this frequency on the ground flight service station.
It looks like they punched one hole in the tent there.
Yeah. Vents it out or something.
Yeah, probably.
Weird, it looks like they got some device over there spraying on that trash. I don't know if you saw that.
Yeah.
Over there in that corner, next to that excavator next to the building.
Usually to keep the dust down.
I guess it could be water, yeah.
November 5, 3026, the altitude and attention.
Good real estate photography here.
Yeah.
Maybe if it was greener.
Yeah, right. Oh, there she is. She's in the driveway.
Pay attention. From Bravo.
She's waving at us.
Stop at Emily. 7-1 on Bravo. Roger, runner right base from A1.
Don't let that one go.
I know, right?
Right base for 1-4 left.
Let's get around again.
7-1 on Bravo. Do you have Avis Victor? I do have Victor. 7-0 Bravo. 7-1 on Bravo. Contact tower 132.1. Good day. 32.4. 7-0 Bravo. Medevac 4 Hotel Foxtrot. Proceed direct Millard. Descend at path discretion. Maintain 3,000.
Well, that's some good timing, huh?
Yeah. Getting out there checking the mail or something?
Taking the garbage out.
Oh, there you go.
125.4.
Alright, we can go west now.
Alright.
Hotel Foxtrot. Traffic 3 west at field indicated 3,000.
Have you done many photo flights or?
Like 4 or 5.
That's it, huh?
Yeah. We just don't get requested for it out here.
Yeah. Well, you know, with everyone and their grandma has a drone anymore.
Yep.
Scanning traffic 2, confirm here is left base, runway 15, scanning.
I'd love to do more of them.
Yeah.
There's just not enough people that, maybe they don't know about us, or just not enough people doing it, so.
I don't know, there's just something about being up here and actually seeing what you're photographing and not playing on your phone down the ground. It's just like... And the quality of the photo is way bigger. And
I think it's a hands-on thing, too, I guess. You as the photographer, I think feel better about it, being up here.
we can cover so much ground in, I mean, in a half hour we...
Yeah.
Helicopter and left down 112 Millard.
Traffic 25 Alpha Mike, we're in a right base 12, approach parallel to the west ramp Millard. Yeah, and I think that's the key. We can get all over the place. So maybe in 3 hours we covered all the way out to what, Schuyler almost?
Yeah.
Millard traffic assessment 7 expect turn left downwind. Full stop 12 Millard, looking for the traffic helicopter on final.
And we're at parallel now, short final, approaching out the west ramp from Killer Hero 12.
Got it, thank you. Traffic 65.
Looks like you get to have the swamp for the next 2 months.
Oh yeah, ridiculous.
Millard traffic 776, turning left base, full stop 12 Millard.
probably got about 6 or 8 feet left. Maybe even more than that, yeah. You can kind of see the rotor disc right there flapping, so just kind of bring it out there, and we still got a good amount of way.
I was wondering how you guys see that, or you just know.
It's, yeah, after just over 1,000 hours of doing it, you got a good idea about it. It almost feels like your arm. Especially when you're out on the field and everything, getting around trees and whatnot, you get a good understanding about how close you can be in your peripheral.
All right, back on the ground. That was fun. It's so weird, like every time, I've done this since 2007, so whatever that is, 15 years now, 14 years, whatever. At least once a year, sometimes 3 or 4 times a year, and every time leading up to it, I have like butterflies in my stomach with anticipation. And then I get done and I'm like, that's awesome. I love doing that. It's so much fun. So had a blast today, like always. And now I'm gonna go home and process some photos and videos and see what I got. It was a great day. The weather was perfect. No bumps and covered some ground. So we'll see what I got. Hopefully they turn out great. So you'll see in a bit.